Dry, flaky skin on the body is a common skin complaint, especially in the cold, moisture-lacking winter months. The skin is one of the body's most important organs. It gives us our sense of touch, regulates body temperature, and protects against infections. However, dry, itchy, scaly, and flaky skin can be uncomfortable and irritating if severe. In this video, we'll be looking in detail about how you can effectively treat dry skin on various parts of the body, the face, the hands and feet, and everywhere else. Let's start with how to treat dry skin on your face. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. This pantry staple isn't just for cooking. When it comes to natural dry skin remedies, try mixing a few drops of extra virgin olive oil with your moisturizer. Alternatively, a thin layer of olive oil applied directly to dry skin on your face can be used as an intensive overnight treatment. Simply rinse off in your morning shower. Olive oil contains fatty acids and antioxidants that help soothe and heal dry skin and can be used in amazing ways to improve your hair, skin, and more. 2. Virgin coconut oil. A recent study found that virgin coconut oil had positive effects on people with dermatitis, a skin disease that can cause dry and scaly skin. After using the virgin coconut oil for 8 weeks, participants of the study were less itchy and had better skin hydration than those who used a mineral oil treatment. 3. Avocado. Avocado isn't just a food trend, you know. Next time you smash one half of an avocado on your toast, save the other half for your face. Avocado is loaded with skin-healing vitamins A and E. That's a nutritional duo that moisturizes and protects skin from damaging UV rays. Spread the avocado on your face, massage it in, wait, then rinse with warm water. Or try an all-natural avocado oil before bedtime. 4. Homemade cleanser. The number one thing that could be causing your skin to dry out is your face wash. Beware of foamy and soapy cleansers which can strip the skin of your natural oils. There are some cleansers that are fine for normal to oily skin types, but if used by those with dry skin, they can be too harsh. Try making your own natural DIY cleanser out of 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply to your clean face for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse off. Next, we're going to move on to how to treat dry skin on your hands and feet. 5. Honey. Honey has both moisturizing and antimicrobial properties. To take advantage of this sweet pantry product, try applying raw organic honey to the dry skin on your hands and your feet, leaving it for 10 minutes and then rinsing it off. 6. Yogurt. Plain yogurt can help moisturize your skin. Plus, it's anti-inflammatory, so it'll prevent breakouts too. Apply a thin layer of yogurt to dry patches and rinse it off after 10 to 15 minutes for the best results. 7. Lavender-infused oil and honey. Give your skin some much-needed TLC at the end of the day with a soothing combo of ingredients you probably have in your cupboard already. Just mix a cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a few drops of lavender essential oil and rub it all over your skin. It'll lock in moisture and hydrate your dry skin. Plus, as an extra bonus, lavender essential oil has been shown to relax the mind and body and help with sleep. 8. Castor oil. Grandma knew a thing or two about home remedies. Castor oil may not be trendy, but just like olive oil and coconut oil, it's full of fatty acids. It's ideal for rubbing into cracked cuticles and dry heels, onto chapped lips, or in any spot that needs extra moisture. 9. Vaseline. Dry skin solutions don't have to be expensive. If you have petroleum jelly on hand, you're all set. It can seal moisture into your skin just as effectively as more expensive products. After a bath, try rubbing a little bit into your hands and then onto your dry, chapped areas. 10. Hand cream. If your work bathroom is equipped with air dryers, you might want to stock a tube of hand cream in your desk drawer. Washing your hands regularly, which you should be doing, especially in the height of cold and flu season, can keep you healthy, but it also may dry out hands. After washing and drying, slather on a moisturizer that will prevent your hands from getting dry and chapped. Finally, we'll look at how to treat dry skin everywhere else. 11. Use a humidifier. Dry air can cause dry skin. If the air in your home is parched, try using a humidifier to add moisture to the air. It can help prevent an extremely dry face. Portable humidifiers, or those that attach to a furnace, can both help make your home's air less dry. 12. Avoid long hot showers. A little steam treatment is great for tackling flaky skin on both the body and face. The key to showering to help cull rough skin patches is to pay close attention to both your temperature and your timing. A long hot shower can wash away the stress of a busy day, but try and avoid boiling hot water, which dries out skin and washes away essential oils needed to help retain moisture. Instead, try a warm shower for a shorter period of time, fewer times a week, which is better for dry skin. 13. Milk. The next time you want to take a relaxing bath, add some milk to the tub. It'll help relieve dry, itchy skin. Milk contains lactic acid, which helps to exfoliate dead skin cells. It's also an anti-inflammatory, so it helps the skin retain moisture. It's best to use whole-fat cow's milk, or goat's milk in this case. To take a milk bath, simply use lukewarm water and add 1 to 3 gallons of milk. Soak in it for 15 minutes and be sure to rinse off afterwards. If you don't want to soak your whole body in milk, you can dip a washcloth in the milk and place it on the affected area for 10 minutes before rinsing it off. 14. Moisturize immediately after showering. If the skin on your face or body is extremely dry, chances are you're already slathering on moisturizer as often as possible. The time that you put that moisturizer on is crucial. It's recommended that you moisturize right after you towel dry to best lock in the moisture from your shower or bath. 15. Replace booze with cool, clear water. You've heard it said hundreds of times, drink more water. Recent research found that adding 2 liters of water to your daily diet for a month may improve skin hydration, especially if you typically don't usually glug enough H2O. 16. Take a probiotic before bed. You may know that probiotic bacteria can support a healthy environment in your gut. Now it looks like what's good for your insides could work for your outside too. Research suggests that probiotics may be promising for the treatment of atopic dermatitis, although we do need more evidence to confirm this. Probiotics work best not taken with food so that they don't interfere with your digestive enzymes, so try taking them before bed. 17. Paraffin dip. A dip in a warm paraffin wax bath may be just what your cracked hands and feet need. Paraffin wax is a white or colorless soft solid wax. In case you've never heard of it before, paraffin is made from saturated hydrocarbons. It's often used in skin-softening salon and spa treatments on the hands, cuticles, and feet because it's colorless, tasteless, and odorless. It can also be used to provide pain relief to sore joints and muscles. Plus, the wax helps add moisture to conditioned skin. 18. Fragrance-free laundry soap. Your dry skin could be telling you to change your laundry soap and dryer sheets. Dyes and fragrances in these products are known skin irritators. 19. Lip balm. The skin on your lips doesn't take up a lot of square footage, but when it becomes dry and cracked, the pain is real. Licking your lips exacerbates dryness, so it's a good idea to keep a moisturizing lip balm handy and reapply as needed. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on 19 amazing health benefits and uses of sea moss. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.